Welcome to our channel. If you need to temporarily freeze your LA Fitness membership, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Review LA Fitness's freeze policy. Membership freezes are typically available for medical reasons, military deployment, or other extenuating circumstances. Step 2. Gather any required documentation to support your freeze request, such as a doctor's note for medical freezes or military deployment orders. Step 3. Visit your home LA Fitness location in person. Membership freezes usually cannot be processed online or over the phone. Step 4. Bring your valid photo ID and member card to the gym. This is required to verify your identity and process the freeze request. Step 5. Go to the membership desk and speak with a staff member about freezing your membership. Explain your situation and provide any supporting documentation. Step 6. Fill out the membership freeze request form provided by the staff. Include your information, reason for the freeze, and desired freeze duration. Step 7. Review the freeze terms, including any fees that may apply. LA Fitness may charge a monthly freeze fee depending on your membership type and reason for freezing. Step 8. Sign the freeze form and submit it to the staff member. They will process your request and provide you with confirmation. Step 9. Receive a confirmation of your freeze request, either in writing or via email. Keep this documentation for your records. Step 10. Note the date when your freeze period ends. Your membership will automatically reactivate, and billing will resume unless you take further action before the freeze expiration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.